Join us in this video as we learn how to manage and post room charges. For specific rooms, the room rent will cover the charges posting. Click on the Charges Posting option in the drop-down menu. The new Charges Posting tab has now been opened. Click on the Select Charge Name drop-down menu in the Transaction Details section to choose a transaction type. Enter the rate for the selected transaction type in the Rate field of the Transaction Details section. To add additional charges, click on the green plus icon. Enter the rate for the food posting charge in the Transaction Details section. Enter the rate for laundry charges in the form. Click on the Include Tax drop-down menu in the Transaction Details section and select Yes to include tax from the transaction. Select the charge name from the drop-down menu for the new transaction line. Enter the rate for the new transaction line labeled Extra Packs. Click the Add icon to add a new charge to the transaction details. Click the drop-down menu in the New Charge row to select a charge type. Enter the rate for the Late Checkout charge in the Rate field. Select Yes for including tax in the Late Checkout charge transaction. To delete an entry, navigate to the Transaction Details section and click the Delete icon. Confirm the deletion by clicking the Delete button in the pop-up modal. Total payable amount is shown for the added charges. Click on the Post Charge button in the Transaction Details section to finalize the charge posting. Once again, select Room G1 from the ground floor section on the dashboard. Click the Checkout button in the pop-up for Room G1 to proceed with the guest checkout. The checkout charges are listed here. Click on the Guest Folio button to view the guest's folio details. Review the generated guest folio report for accuracy of the charges and totals. Here is the list of charges posted. The anticipated room charges have been successfully processed.